Sorry, I didn't see you there. Hi, my name is Andy, and welcome to Roundabout TV. Today we're going to be doing level 2 with your staff. Yeah. Okay, so level 2 with your superstar. The first thing we're going to do is the wonderful figure of 8. Woo! So, hold your staff, however you feel comfortable actually, at the palm of the top. And you're going to go across your body, almost like you're doing a hold. You can use one hand, using 2 hands. You can then shake hands. I'll show you from the side so you can see where it's going from the body. Side, my bum on the top. And then go down, up, over, down. That's going forwards. Later on you can experiment. Go backwards. That's the next thing. Is a swing throw. What do we mean by that? It's almost like this with a rainbow. Can you see the top there? Great. But instead of actually holding, we're going to do a little throw. So like this. Swing, throw, swing, throw. Swing, throw. This one takes a bit of time because I work with it. It's smooth. Okay, swing throw. Great! The next one we're going to find our elbows like this in our lovely bicep. And I want you to lock it in. You're going to pop it out and catch it. You can obviously that both sides. And you can also, instead of popping it, you can just roll it down. So you can try both. Pop and a roll. You can also, if you're feeling extra fancy, try both hands or elbow, pop. The next trick, you're going to place the staff on your elbow, on your shoulder. Put your hand in the air and turn around. Shoulder balance. Why is my elbow? Feeling comfortable, you can try that shoulder arm. Try going the other way. So it's a balance. So you can have a nice finish. Roll down. Try both sides. Start first with your hand up. As you get more confidence, right. Wrap the hand. Good. Woo. Woo. It's good to start with your contacts. Contacts. The last trick for level 2 is involving your legs. We're going to do the float as we did in level 1, like this. It's up a leg, pass underneath. If you're flexible, you can lift it higher and have lovely pointy toes. If you're not, you look like me. That should be simple. So there is a more tricky version also from level 1. So my staff is spinning to the right. So I actually grab it with my right hand now and take it under the right leg. Doesn't matter which leg actually, you can do it. Let's take it with that right hand and spin to the right side. If you spin to the left, it's your left hand takes it. Alright. Cool. That's a little bit of staff for you. Level 2.